Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Ito ko lang. Right, panoorin ito. Ganda na ito. A modern home. High ceiling po yung ating living area. Okay, so again, we're here inside Greenwoods Executive Village. Highly recommended po. Kung ang laging biyahe nyo is dito sa may Highway 2000 or C6. Right, so pasukin natin itong napakagandang property. And welcome to your new home. Right, so ito yung ating high ceiling na living area. Actually, gustong gusto ko yung gawa ng builder dito. Yung first project niya, almost the same lang naman ito. Halos parehas lang. Nung napasok ko yun, ganda talaga. And nung nalaman ko may bagong project siya, videoan ko kagad. Okay, ganda na ito. So again, sorry, ito yung ating main door is naka-digital lock. Right? Okay. And then nakita nyo naman kanina, tandem parking po yung ating 2 carport vehicle. Okay, so tandem parking, magkasunuran po tayo. Right, yung sasakyan. So living, dining, and then yung ating kitchen area. So ito yung ating kitchen area. Meron tayong kitchen island. May nakikita akong 4 burner na cooktop. And then meron tayong range hood. And on this side, nandito po yung ating dining area. So malaki po yan. 10-seater na dining table. Kasyang-kasya po tayo dyan. Right? And may nakikita ako naka-installed na split type aircon. Meron tayo ditong common na toilet and bath. And kung mapapansin nyo, naka-shower enclosure na rin po yan. Okay. Then dito, meron tayo ditong guest room. Or at least, pwede po natin tawagin or gamitin for kung may kasama tayong senior. Okay, so ito yung space niya. Meron siyang built-in cabinet. And katabi lang naman po yung ating common toilet and bath. Diba? Then, naka-sliding door. Then, ito yung sliding door. Papunta dun sa ating dining area. And then, of course, meron tayong service area dito. Napakalaking service area. Yung maid's quarter natin, kinadaanan kanina, nandun po sa ating parking, doon sa parking space natin. Meron tayong maid's quarter doon. Nakasarado lang po, kaya hindi ko na dinaanan. Wala tayong susi eh. Okay, so again, ito yung ating ground floor. Nandito ako ngayon sa dining area. So sa tapat po na itong naka-cove ceiling with cove light. And then ito yung ating kitchen area with cooktop, range hood. And meron tayong kitchen island dyan. And then we have this sliding door na access dyan sa ating 2 carport vehicle na tandem parking. And this is your living area. Okay? So living area natin, naka-high ceiling with a pendant chandelier, naka-cove ceiling. Napakaaliwalas, napakaganda. Aakyatin ko sa second floor. Meron tayo ditong napakaganda ng space for a family area. So imagine, meron ka dito magandang, may sofa ka dito. Tapos, ang view mo is siyang naka-high ceiling na yan. with a pendant chandelier. Diba? Ang aliwalas niya. Lahat nagko-complement eh. Kahit yung tiles ng mga tiles na ginamit. Galing, no? Gusto ko talaga itong builder na to. Okay, so pasok tayo. First bedroom natin. May naka-install po ng mga split type aircons. Right, so first bedroom, kita niyo yung space. Napakaganda ng space. We have lots of cabinets sa ating mga bedrooms. Meron tayong vanity table. So first bedroom po ito. Pasok tayo sa second bedroom. I think itong cabinet na to is for linen. Linen cabinet po. Right? Ito yung ating common toilet and bath para po sa gagamit or mag-occupy para doon sa dalawang bedrooms. Alright? So meron tayo common toilet and bath. Ito yung space for the second bedroom. Of course, meron din naka-installed na split type na aircon. And meron din siyang built-in cabinet. So itong second bedroom, mas maluwag siya compare sa first bedroom. Pero yung first bedroom, mas marami siyang cabinet. Alright? So, depende na sa mag-occupy kung alin ang mas gusto. Kung mas gusto niya mas malaki or mas priority niya is yung maraming cabinets. Pero konti lang namin difference po. Ayusin ko yung camera, ha? Dapat na ayos ko, konti lang. Then, the last part is yung ating master's bedroom po. Naka-cove ceiling. Meron tayong balcony. Yan, naka-sliding door. Of course, meron itong sariling or tinatawag natin private bathroom. Right? So, ito yung space for the master's bedroom. Ito yung kanyang ceiling. May naka-install po na split type na aircon. And then meron tayong walk-in closet and a toilet and bath. Ito yung kanyang walk-in closet. And ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. So, yung price ng property, hihingi pa po ako ng update dun sa ating seller. Mamaya, i-message niya tayo, sabi niya. Right? Pero ito po, pati yung lot area and floor area, ha? Pakicheck niyo po yung full details dun sa description box. Alright? I-message ko po or i-post ko po lahat dun. Okay? Again, we're here inside Greenwoods Executive Village. Kung kayo po ay laging dumadaan Highway 2000 or yung business nyo or workplace nyo is around Ortigas, Makati, BGC, or lagi kayo pupunta na NAIA, very accessible po ito. Okay, so dalawang gate natin, meron tayong main gate which is the Pasig area, meron tayong back door which is yung Taytay area na malapit po sa Highway 2000 and C6. Alright? So, napakaganda po ng location nito. Very accessible. And, the fact na talagang ang bilis. Ang bilis po ng bilihan ng property dito sa Greenwoods. Sa totoo lang. Okay? So, message po kayo if interested kayo. Again, yung full details, ipopost ko po sa description box. Paki-check nyo na lang. Alright? So, again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.